You know, by now you've seen how fantastic the Broncos are in terms of the design and the job that Murray Callum, Paul Wraith, and the entire design team have done to literally pay homage to the heritage of Bronco, but at the same time move it in a very modern way forward. Today you'll get to experience my favorite part of the Bronco, which is the combination of the off-road capability coupled with the fantastic, very ingenious technology to really make it a wonderful product to drive over this environment. And the hallmark for us within product development of great products are the ones that really reward the expert drivers and at the same time flatter the novice. And I think I'm hopeful that at the end of the day you'll see that shine through with the Bronco.